Hey guys, today I'm going to try and pick this the focus flag cisa. I don't know if it's better there. No, that's just flag 310/40, and I got this from Rune International as well. So let us see if I can get this thing open. What? Almost dropped my tension wrench. And we have a Chinese pick, which I am used to use. Alright, now we'll try in hand. Pin 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I'll set number 3. Oh man, not that again. Where's my other tension wrench? There we have it. This sometimes works better. One, 2, 3, oh, and we are open. Only pin 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is a 5-pinner, but I only had to pick 3 pins. So that was the cisa flag 310/40. That was a quick video, but that's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks for watching and have a good day.